Hey guys, hope you're having a really great April spring day here in Minnesota. My friend Ian and I are going to go jump out in the snow and enjoy it ourselves. And yeah, this is awesome. Isn't this great? In April, isn't that just fantastic? This is fantastic. Oh, fantastic. It's so cold. Whoa! Oh, it is pretty nasty out there, don't you think? Even this wall. Hello. Whoa! Whoa! Man, it's so cold! Whoa! Oh, it is pretty nasty out there, don't you think? Even this wall. Hello. Hello. Oh, dude. All right, so we just got done jumping out there in the snow, and so we're just saying that this is April in Minnesota, and we're enjoying our time.
Wow.
Wow.